Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to change your currency in Etihad Airways in 2024. And with that said, let's head right in. Alright, so what you want to do is to first go over to your browser and type etihad.com, and that's etihad.com, and we'll just click enter right there and wait for the page to load. Alright, and when it does load, do make sure you get logged into your account. And yeah, so we do need to do something. So normally you would be asked to confirm that you want them to access your location. You can do this. It will help in the long run in they being able to ascertain exactly where you are currently. That is of course your current location, so you can of course choose to allow access, but for some reason I won't do that. So you can do that, and do make sure you have an account. You can do that by clicking on this account icon right here. And well, yeah, that's basically it. I should go over all these tabs right here, but I believe that they're obviously self-explanatory, so I'll just go straight into what we have for today. So I have the steps right here in a note. So what you want to do first of all is to click on the account option right here, which is of course this, and at the top right corner, yes, and from there you will find where it says my information. So all you have to do is click on that, and of course it will be you will be taken to a page where you can select your preferred currency. Now it's not really as difficult as it may sound or seem, and I do know this might not really be what you're looking for, but if you do follow the step I've just mentioned, you definitely will be able to change your currency in Etihad Airways. And that said, that is the end of the video. I do hope you watched till the end, and if you did, and if this video in one way or the other gave you a little hint as to how to solve this problem of changing your currency, then of course feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.